Hey, this is Meridith Elliott Powell, and I do not know what you are doing October 7th through 10th, 2021, but I hope that you are going to join me in Charleston, South Carolina for the PMPA annual meeting. Listen, this is one event you do not want to miss because not only is it going to be at the beautiful Charleston place, but the networking, the connections, the relationships, they're going to be off the chart. And I am so excited to be presenting my program, Leadership Succession Planning Made Easy, answering the question, who comes next? Listen, we're going to dive into all the strategies, all the tips, everything that you need to know to not only build an effective succession planning, but create talent at every level of your organization. And we're going to show you why an engaged team is the best competitive advantage you've got. But you are never going to know unless you join us. So what are you waiting for? Sign up now, and I'll see you in October in Charleston, South Carolina.